Today we are taking the ultimate showdown between two of the Apple's most powerful phones, the iPhone XS Max and the iPhone XR. These phones were released back in 2018 and quickly became fan favorites for their sleek design and impressive specs. But the real question is, which one will reign supreme in 2023 after updating to the latest iOS 16.4.1? So in this speed test, we will putting these phones to the test to see which one can handle the most demanding task and come out on top. So without any further ado, this video is sponsored by ultfone iOS system repair application. If you are facing any kind of issues on your iOS device, such as if your iPhone is disabled, stuck it logo, in short, any problem related to your iOS device can be fixed with ultfone iOS repair software. It's very easy to use. You can fix 150 plus iOS problem with your fingertips. Even if you are not enjoying the iOS 16, you can simply downgrade your iPhone to iOS 15 with ultfone repairing application. Just simply download it from its official site, which I have already mentioned down below. Install it to your desktop, run the application. There are 150 plus of problem listed. Find yours and select the specific option. After that, connect your device to the desktop, follow the instructions and it will detect your iPhone and simply run the process and your device will be fixed within few minutes. The paid versions are also very affordable. You can get 1 year subscription at discounted price. If you are having any issues in your iPhone, simply install this at your desktop and fix your iPhone in few minutes. Now let's get back to work. As usual, we are kicking things off with the boot up test and here we go. And okay, the logos has appeared. We have a 12 Bionic on both sides but higher RAM on the XS Max. And okay, as you can see that the XS Max was a bit quicker while booting up. Now it should be clear we are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and everything is closed on the background as well. Without wasting any time, let's find out the fast welcome back. We are done with the speed test, and according to this comparison, the XS Max has won every single test against the iPhone XR with almost 1 second of difference, which is why I will prefer the XS Max instead of XR for gaming and as well as a daily driver because of its good camera quality and overall performance. So that's it. Let me know your opinions in the comment section right down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.